Hello my sweets, let's get straight into this video. You first of all need a shorter and a longer side, of course. We're gonna pin it under the chin, right there, not the chin, the hijab, but under the chin. I'm joking. Now we're gonna take the longer side, place it on top of our heads like so the lace shows. So the lace is very crucial part here because this is going to do the entire look. We're gonna pin the lace on both the sides. Now the next step is to hide the end of the lace so it doesn't show. So it looks like it's going around beautifully without an end, basically. So we pinned it right there, and now we're going to take the other side of the lace and put it underneath the hijab. Now that that's done, we're basically doing the last step, which is to take the shorter side, and we want the lace to show as well. Remember, lace is super crucial. We're gonna just place it right there and then pin it, and then that's the look. I hope you liked it. Follow for more hijab tutorials.